Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making the system safe. Shut the main valve and bleed pressure until the gauge reads 0 psi. Once done, wear eye protection and pull the connector back sleeve to release the line. You should hear air escape if still pressurized. Next, inspect the male tip and tube end for debris, sliced tubing, or missing O-rings. Make sure to have the replacement quick connect and a small pick at hand so you can immediately address seals or burrs and avoid repeat disassembly. You now focus on restoring a reliable seal. Clean the port and the collar area with compressed air and a pick to remove grit that prevents sealing. If the O-ring looks flattened or cut, replace it with the matching size. A worn ferrule also needs swapping. Trim the tubing square and test for a snug fit. Make sure the cut is perpendicular so the ferrule seats. Once trimmed, apply a light smear of approved lubricant on the first 1/4 inch to ease insertion and protect the seal. You finish by reinserting the tubing firmly until it clicks and the collar snaps into place, then tug gently to confirm the lock. Slowly open the supply valve and monitor the gauge while applying a soap solution to joints. Watch for bubbles that indicate a leak. If you detect leakage, shut down and depressurize again. Make sure the O-ring sits evenly and the ferrule isn't skewed. One key tip: if the leak continues after reseating, swap in a new connector rather than repeatedly red-tightening.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.